everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a fresh new video. I'm sure you must have read by the title that today's video is going to be a haul video, but it's none other than Savannah haul. I have this big bag of Savannah where I have so many Savannah packets, so you guys are not ready for this. The amount of love you have shown on my Savannah shorts is insane, and I thought why not to do a full-fledged Savannah haul. So here I am. I have ordered a lot of stuff and you guys are not ready for this because this is straight up from my wish list and I cannot wait to show it to you guys. So let's start one by one. This is, I guess, the medium parcel and let's open it and let's see what's inside it. Okay, before I open this, I want to tell you that this time when I was placing this order, मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा अपने comfort zone से बाहर निकलने की कोशिश की है. So I don't wear like pop colors and I don't play around with colors basically. So I stick to my nudes and brown and undertones. But this time I went all out. So let's start with, okay, what is this? Okay, it's a dress. I remember this is a maxi dress, which is this, and let's try this. I've never worn something like lavender. Woohoo! I'm already excited. Okay, so that's the dress. आजकल वो ट्रेंड नहीं चल रहा है यहाँ तक एकदम कॉर्सेट वाला, देन नीचे से मैक्सी ड्रेस. So I always wanted to try it, but that's not my taste. But today we are going out of comfort zone. So here it is. Side में से knots वगैरह भी हैं, and yeah, it looks pretty good. Let me just check its length. Oh, it's perfect. It's my size only. This is in the size extra small. Of course, my size is small or extra small only. And this was for 1390. मुझे I guess discount पे ये सस्ता पड़ा था. So yeah, I'm just gonna put all the details here so you can just check that out. Let's try this on and see how it looks on me. Oh my god, you guys, just look at this dress. It's looking so good on me. I don't wear such colors on me, but I feel like these light colors really complement like us dusky skin tones. And yeah, I think I'm gonna wear more light colors on me. But first things first, I want to show you this dress's main USP. This side knot thingy is so good. It's such a great idea for us lean girls because we want dresses to like hug us beautifully, especially from our waist, because our waist is like, yes, so it's really like, it's giving me that snitchy effect. So I really like it. The one thing which I don't like about this dress is the fabric. I don't know if you can see, but this is sort of linen, which is not the best. I don't know. I mean, it's slightly thick. I feel like I'm not able to breathe in this dress. Also, इसमें थोड़ा सा गर्मी भी लग रहा है मुझे. मतलब I want like soft fabrics on me. So I don't know. I mean, I like the dress overall. It's looking good on me, but I don't like the fabric. I'm not saying it's bad quality. It's good quality. It's just I'm not liking it personally. But yeah, overall the look is fab and I think I can wear it somewhere. I don't know, somewhere like a picnic date sort of thing. So yeah, let me know what you think about this dress. Moving forward, we have something in black which I do not remember what I ordered. So let's check together. Okay, now I remember. Okay, it's a skirt, basically a sports skirt. It's not a skirt, it's a skirt basically. And this skirt also have this short sort of situation. So I wanted this because of my dance classes. I want something to wear like this so that I feel cute and I can also express cute. You know what I mean? So yes, let's try this. But on top of it, I am going to show you another thing which I ordered. It's a sports bra and I got it again from Savannah. So let's try them together so that I can show you how is it. So this is in the color pink and इसमें और भी colors available थे, but I really loved this one and I was checking reviews और सबने ना यही color खरीदा था because look how pretty this color is. This is light pink and the straps are like pure bright pink, so it's really looking good. So I'm going to pair these two things together and let me show you how is it. Guys, do I even have to say something? I mean, this outfit on its own looks so aesthetically cute. Let's just talk about the bra top first. I mean, I'm loving the color, and especially right now, I'm in my Pinky the Pooh era, so I'm liking pink color. As you can clearly see, my nails right now is also pink. But this pink bra top is so cute, and the back is this cross back something. I don't know इसे क्या बोलते हैं, समझ जाओ अब आप लोग. Especially the strap. This is in dark pink color and the top is baby pink color. I'm liking this color combination, but I feel like it's slightly bigger. I know the top is in extra small, but still ये थोड़ा सा बड़ा आ रहा है मेरे, especially these cups. I feel like it's giving very fake illusion, and I don't want that. I especially don't like that. But other than that, I love the bra top. I don't know, should I keep it or return it? So let me know in the comment section, what do you think? Also, can we just take a moment and appreciate this skirt? I mean, just look at this skirt. It looks so cute. I love the flare. I love how I'm moving, and this skirt is also moving with me. Also, the best part about the skirt is it comes with a short, which means I can dance around this skirt and I can do whatever I want, because guess what? I will feel comfortable, and this length is also not too short where I feel uncomfortable, and it's not too long, which is not giving that cute girl era. It's the right amount of skirt and I am loving it. Do let me know in the comment section, इनमें से जो भी पीस आपको लगता है कि मुझे रिटर्न करने चाहिए या फिर रखने चाहिए, जरूर बताना, because this time obviously I'm going to listen to you guys. Okay, let's just sit down. Meanwhile, I'm going to open this another parcel. So I have one more to go. This one is the smallest one. इसके अंदर I guess एक या दो सामान है, and then I have a bigger parcel here. So let's open this one. Whoop, okay. It's difficult to open it without scissors because scissor अभी kitchen में और अभी मेरा उठने का बिल्कुल भी मन नहीं है. Okay, I'm a strong girl. Whoop. Yeah. ओ भाई की आँख. दोस्तों पसीने आ गए. ओके, इसके अंदर आई गेस दो चीजें आने वाली थी, बट इसमें एक ही चीज आई है. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. ठीक है, मे बी वो दूसरे वाले पार्सल में होगी. लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड. ओके, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर इसके अंदर क्या है, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली मैंने ये काफी दिन पहले ऑर्डर करा था और सारा सामान आने के चक्कर में आई वाज वेटिंग. सो लेट्स. ओह ओके, I got it. So I basically ordered these formal pants. Do you remember this shorts where I was telling you guys that I wanted to order a formal yet casual cord set, which I can also wear in events and in formal settings. लेकिन वो कोट सेट बहुत बेकार आया था, तो मैंने जुगाड़ लगाने के लिए ये टैंक टॉप ऑर्डर करा था. Well, I had to wear it with a pair of jeans, which was not at all formal. So I decided to buy a pant here. Let's see if this looks good. I don't think so. It's looking good here, like ऐसे देखने से. But let's not judge the book by its cover. Let's try it on. Guys, unfortunately, these pants are not fitting me well. I wanted to try these with this black top so that I can see whether it looks formal or not. But unfortunately, इसका fitting बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं आ रहा है. Especially the quality. I mean, yeah, it's good. But इस सेम फैब्रिक में मैंने पहले सरोजनी से भी काफी पैंट्स खरीदी हैं और पहनी भी हैं, एंड आई फील लाइक वो मुझे आराम से 200 रुपए में मिल जाती है. देन वाई टू स्पेंड 990 रुपीज. दिस इज इन द साइज एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल, yes, and I don't think it's worth it. I tried it, and especially the crotch area, I can see a balloon forming, and girls, I think you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, this is a clear miss for me, and I'm definitely going to return it. Moving on, we have another packet. इसके अंदर I guess एक ही पीस है, because ये काफी ज़्यादा ऐसे हल्का सा लग रहा है. So let's see what's inside it. एक तो मैंने काफी दिनों पहले ऑर्डर करा था, so मैं खुद भी भूल गई इसके अंदर क्या है. ओके, सो इट्स समथिंग लाइक इन क्रीम कलर. एक तो आई लव इनके जो पैकेज होते हैं ना, ये काफी इजी हो जाता है, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर गोइंग ऑन अ ट्रिप, तो काफी इजी रहता है इसमें अपने कपड़े वगैरह डालना. ओह, ऑलराइट, सो इट इज अ ट्यूब टॉप. आई डोंट हैव अ ट्यूब टॉप टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. मैं काफी कम पहनती हूँ ऐसे टॉप्स, एंड आई रियली वांटेड टू लाइक एक्सपेरिमेंट. सो लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज एंड हाउ इट लुक्स ऑन मी. द क्वालिटी इज ऑल्सो लाइक वेरी थिन, और आई गेस ये सी थ्रू भी है. येस, इट इज सी थ्रू. So I'm not that happy with the quality, but let me just wear it and let me show you how it looks on me. एंड गाइज दैट्स हाउ इट लुक्स ऑन मी एंड ओ माई गॉड, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है मैंने अभी तक ट्यूब टॉप्स क्यों नहीं ट्राई करे हैं, बिकॉज यू विल अग्री विद मी दिस लुक्स वेरी क्यूट ऑन मी एंड स्पेशली दिस कट आउट थिंग। आई मीन ये ना मेरी वेस्ट काफी स्नैप्ड दिखा रहा है। आई मीन इट्स नॉट लाइक कि मेरी वेस्ट बहुत ही ज्यादा बड़ी है, इट्स ऑलरेडी 24, बट यू नो व्हाट आई मीन, ये मेरी वेस्ट को काफी ज्यादा अच्छे से कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर रहा है। स्पेशली दिस, आई डोंट नो इसको क्या कौन सा कट बोलते हैं, बट दिस ट्रायंगुलर थिंग बहुत ज्यादा क्यूट लग रहा है, लाइक वेरी क्यूट एंड वेरी पिंटरेस्टी वाइब। द मटेरियल इज वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड इट्स वेरी ब्रीदेबल, स्पेशली फॉर दिल्ली वेदर। इट्स बॉइलिंग हॉट इन हियर, अभी भी आई एम सो स्वेटी जबकि एसी ऑन है, बट स्टिल। सो यस, do let me know in the comment section how this color, this top and especially this tube top thing looks on me, because I quite like it. Let me know should I keep it or return it. And yeah, next up we have the biggest parcel in the lot. I guess this is the last one. Abhi I guess ye mera 4th या 5th parcel hai, I'm not even sure about because I lost count. I am honestly pretty excited about this because this is the biggest parcel. इसके अंदर I guess 4 to 5 items हैं. So let's see इसके अंदर क्या होने वाला है. आई रिमेम्बर मैंने एक बैग भी ऑर्डर करा था एंड आई गेस इसी के अंदर वो बैग है, बट अगर वी हैव द बैग, लेट्स सी। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम गोइंग टू जस्ट show you the bag. So I'll tell you इस बैग के पीछे का story. So recently when I was doing a full-time job, I was really looking for a good bag, like a good tote bag. और मेरा ना इस बैग के ऊपर बहुत टाइम से नजर था। मैं जहाँ कहीं पे भी जाती हूँ मैं अपना सारा सामान उस बैग में कैरी करके जाती हूँ and I need like a good and heavy bag. So I was like very unsure about कि ये बैग वो सारा सामान कैरी कर पाएगा या नहीं। To be honest, मुझे ऑनलाइन ये बैग बहुत बड़ा लग रहा था, बट नाउ आई फील इट्स वेरी स्मॉल। लाइक आई डू हैव अ टोट बैग फ्रॉम फास्ट ट्रैक और उसमें मेरा सारा सामान रहता है एंड दैट बैग really carries everything and I feel so sad for that bag. But yes, I think इसमें मेरा सारा सामान नहीं आ पाएगा honestly. Yeah, and this bag also have like just one section. इसके अंदर कोई ज़्यादा sections नहीं है and I need like good 2 to 3 sections, so like I can carry my chiller, my makeup and almost everything, you know, my lunch, my water bottle, my laptop, every single thing. So yeah, I guess I'm not a huge fan of this. It has just one section, that too like the bigger one. So I'm not sure. I think I'm going to return this. It looks cute definitely and it can carry like my usual saman of course, but yeah, this is not for daily use. This is just for like event and like Pinteresty stuff and I need something very practical where I can almost carry everything. So yeah, I guess I have to return this one. Okay, we have something I really wanted since a very long time now. Let me show you what it is. So basically it's a ethnic and western kind of top. I mean it's a fusion of both of it, and this top I wanted since so long. Oh my god, just look at it. I mean, I honestly wanted this one. और ये ना मैंने बहुत लड़कियों को पहनते हुए देखा है, especially with those parachute pants and all. They look bomb.com and I really want to be that girl. So let's try this on. Guys, I don't think so मुझे इस टॉप के लिए कुछ कहने की जरूरत है because honestly it looks so cute and I think इस बारी ना मैं बहुत ज़्यादा out of the box ही हूँ and I really wanted to experiment with my clothing because my wardrobe is just filled with basic, like legit basic tops, and I honestly had eye on this one like since a very long time and I think it's so breathable and it screams summers, and especially when I was holding it in my hands I felt that it's going to be a little uncomfortable, especially from my chest area, but it is like pretty comfortable. I can dance in it और ये ना अगर मैं style करूँगी so I can wear like good chudi, jhumka, bindi and especially that thing I really want to wear. I don't know यार उसे क्या बोलते हैं, that कड़ा type of thing here, I don't know, वो आजकल काफी चल रहा है, but yeah, I mean I love it. It's very comfortable, very breathable and I can't wait to wear it like somewhere in hills and I love it. I genuinely do. Moving forward, we have another very cute and Pinteresty top. और ये ना मैंने काफी लोगों के influence में आके खरीदा है honestly. A lot of people told me that butter yellow color will look good on me and that's why I thought of like wearing it. I am not pretty sure ये butter yellow कैसा लगता है मेरे ऊपर, but guys, we have another tube top and I think ये मेरे थोड़ा बड़ा होने वाला है because I am not this thick. Let's see how it looks on me and let's see if it fits me or not. But first thing first, इसका material काफी ज़्यादा अच्छा है, काफी soft है and I think it's very good quality. So let me just wear it and show you how it looks on me. Honestly, I'm regretting that why I was not experimenting with my clothes, because I like it. I mean, I love how cute and aesthetic I look. I never wear such outfits. This butter yellow color is still a question for me. I don't know. कभी कभार मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि शायद ये मेरे ऊपर अच्छा लग रहा है, फिर उसी सेम मोमेंट में मेरे को लग रहा है ना, इट्स नॉट दैट गुड फॉर मी. So I don't know if I'm going to wear this color anymore, or I don't know should I keep this one or not. So just help me out with this. Other than that, I guess I can wear it for like a day or two, but this is not at all my style. But हाँ, कभी कभार के लिए I think it's good. Moving on, we have something in black. I clearly have no idea, so I'm just gonna open this one. I don't know ये क्या है. Okay, let me just check. Oh, okay. It's a t-shirt. It's an oversized t-shirt, and I guess, yeah, that's how it looks on me. Let me just wear it and show it to you. Okay, so I ordered this t-shirt because I thought it's going to be a little like oversized, but clearly it's not. And also I hate those t-shirts or tops जो एकदम मेरे गले की यहाँ तक होते हैं. I feel like that someone is like choking me like that, so I really don't like it. I mean, I am definitely going to like return this one. I mean, yeah, I either like fitted tops or short tops, or I like oversized and big tops. So yeah, I'm definitely not a fan. And especially इतनी गर्मी में ये जो ये ऐसे मेरे गले पे आ रहा है ना, not at. Oh wait, is this? It's not. Oh yeah, okay, मैंने इसको उल्टा पहन लिया दोस्तों, ये पीछे था. Oh shit, my fault, guys. Sorry, wait, let me just show it to you once again. Guys, that's how it should be worn, and honestly, I'm not a fan again. हाँ, ठीक है, गले पे उतना ज़्यादा नहीं लग रहा है, but still, it's too plain, and also it's not that oversized. Again, I need oversized t-shirt when I'm wearing a t-shirt. That's how the back looks, and yeah, आगे थोड़ा बहुत तो मतलब कुछ लिखा होना चाहिए था. अगेन मेरा फॉल्ट है, मेरे को उसी वक्त ऐसे वेबसाइट पे देखना चाहिए था, बट हाँ उस टाइम पे मुझे लगा ये फ्रंट है एंड द बैक इज प्लेन. आई डोंट नो, बट या इट्स क्लियरली अ फेल एंड आई एम डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू रिटर्न इट. लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, एंड दिस इज आवर फाइनल पीस, एंड दैट्स अबाउट इट. फाइनली वी केम to end of this video, and let's see what this top is. I loved it. I remember what this top is. Again, look how cute. You can wear it घर पे भी और बाहर casually you can wear it with a pair of jeans. It is also padded and it's stitched with it, so ये removable नहीं है. But I like it, and the pads are not too fake. I mean, when I'm wearing a padded top, I always make sure the pads are not too fake and not too thick, because I don't like the fake scenario happening. I want it to be like natural, and I love the lace situation happening. It's very strappy and very thin. And that's how this baby looks on me. I honestly love the color and I love the straps. It's very tiny and thin. I love it. The one issue I can see is इसके जो pads हैं ना ये काफी बड़े हैं. I mean, it's not too thick. ये थोड़े बड़े हैं जिसकी वजह से I have some loose area right here which I'm not liking. So I guess I'm going to like return it. I'm not sure. I will have to figure it out after this video. So yeah, but I love the color. It's looking good on me, and yeah. And here we come to an end to this video. Honestly, I love trying each piece on me. I mean, I love Savannah, and now I love them even more. I'm definitely going to change my style from now on, because honestly, I feel मैं हमेशा basic ही पहन के निकल जाती हूँ. But now on, I think I'm going to try more tube tops. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and do let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite. And yes, I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.